Hello guys, my name is Prav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. So the website name is Dofollow.com. So this is a business listing website, but the thing is the business listing is paid on this website. So if you are comfortable to afford this thing, so there is a categorized option. You can see restaurant, cafes, and the nightlife shops. Beauty, these are the category of the business listing, and this is the category, and this is the city wise category. UK, you can see Los Angeles, and their businesses are listed city wise and the category wise. Okay, so now we can start how we can create our profile on this website. So simply you can click on the user sign up button, and there you guys can add your email address, then you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the join topo. Okay, so our account is successfully created, and join as a business. Let me try to join as a business. So we have successfully created our account. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. And this site might be send a verification email. So let me check. Yeah, so I haven't received any verification email. So yeah, so there is no need to verify profile. So after that we can click on the my spots button, and again we can click on the settings button, and there you can add your first name, Jobma. There we can add video interview software, and we can ignore these things. There we have already added email, and I don't want to be found by others, so you can make sure to you can uncheck this box, and after that there you can upload a profile picture, and there you can add a company description. Yeah, and in this section there you can add your website URL and the city. There you can add your business location. So our business location is Mintonka. So let me add Mintonka, United States. And once you guys will complete all the things, so you can click on the save button, and you can see our profile is successfully created. And if you can click on the username, so you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is the description, and this is a backlink. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is our company name, and this is the description. But the your case, you can add a short description that could be going to look like professional or appealing. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% no follow backlink. So thing is to we have created our profile backlink on this website, and if you're wanting to list your businesses on this site, so simply you can click on the are you a business owner, and you can start to submitting your business details on this website. Okay, so this is a process for the profile creation on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily, And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.